Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy, homemade Lebanese bread with Nigella seeds and paprika. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take back your dough and put as many paprika as you like. I really love paprika. Take Nigella seeds and add around 20 grams of them. Then knead the dough for incorporating the ingredients. Add a teaspoon of olive oil, and knead again for incorporating. Shape the dough like a ball to help it rising. And put it in a bowl covered with a towel or plastic wrap. Then keep the dough in a dry and warm place like an oven turned off. Then let it rest for 3 to 12 hours depending if you use the dry yeast or sourdough. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table and take back our dough. Look how much it has risen. Divide it in 2 portions. Now form 2 balls by stretching the dough using the friction between your palm and the dough ball. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Take back one of the balls and put some flour on top of it. Flour also the rolling pin and roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add some flour until it's about 1 centimeter thick. Just like that, and repeat with the other bread. Now let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Put a pan over medium-low heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside of it. Don't overcook it. Flip it to the other side. About every 30 seconds for 4 times. Once cooked, Place it inside a towel to keep it warm, and repeat with the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready. It smells amazing and it is very soft to the touch. There is also the little pocket for easy filling. And it tastes delicious and healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey. We'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and marakah, Chef Ciano and Coach Murad.